Hello guys, welcome for today's episode when we discuss whether aluminium kitchen cabinet, kitchen cookware are harmful to our bodies. So the first thing is going to be the natural occurrence of aluminium. So for example, aluminium is one of the most common material in our earth. We can find it in soil, we can find it in water and even in air. So is it really harmful to our body? Because it's so prevalent, small amounts of aluminium naturally enter our bodies through food, water and even medicines. The human body can handle low levels of aluminium exposure because the kidneys efficiently filter it out and excrete most of it. The key takeaway is that aluminium is already a part of our daily environment and our bodies are adapted to handle small amounts without harm. For example, water. Small amounts of aluminium are found in drinking water, particularly if the water is sourced from lakes or rivers. Another thing is food. Many foods naturally contain small amounts of aluminium because plants absorb it from the soil. And last but not least, the air. Small quantities of aluminium particles can be present in the air, especially in urban or industrial areas. So when it comes to aluminium cookware, why is it so common? Because aluminium cookware are very inexpensive and also very durable and light. It's pretty much been used by everyone in the street. So aluminium cookware has excellent heat conductivity. However, the bare aluminium is reactive, especially with acidic foods. To address this, most modern aluminium cookware is treated in one of two ways. So the first one is going to be the anodized aluminium. Anodizing is a process where aluminium is treated with an electrochemical process that makes the surface hard, smooth and resistant to corrosions. This forms a protective layer that prevents the metal from reacting with food, reducing the chances of aluminium leaching into food. Secondly, many aluminium pans are also coated with non-stick materials like Teflon or the other protective layers that further prevent food from coming into direct contact with aluminium. So when it comes to aluminium kitchen cabinet, they both share the same aluminium material content with the aluminium cookware. So when it comes to aluminium kitchen cabinets, in contrast, aluminium used in kitchen cabinets does not come in contact with food or cooking surfaces. Kitchen cabinets are used for storage or organization, and while they are frequently touched, they are not exposed to conditions like high heat or direct food compared to the aluminium cooking wares. By this, drastically reduces the chance of any potential aluminium exposure. The aluminium is in cabinets primarily serves to provide strength, durability and a modern sleek appearance in the kitchen. So the benefits of aluminium kitchen cabinet of course is the durability. Aluminium is highly durable and resistant to damage, and then also the corrosion resistance. One of the primary reasons aluminium is favored for kitchen cabinet is its natural resistance to rust and corrosion. Last but not least, the low maintenance. Aluminium kitchen cabinets are easy to clean and maintain, unlike wood or other material of cabinets. So I know that there's a lot of rumor that says that aluminium material might have a connection between the health risk of people. For example, aluminium might contribute to the Alzheimer disease, but this is wrong. There have been concerns about the potential health risk of aluminium exposure, particularly its possible link to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer disease. In the 1960s and 1970s, early research suggested that a possible connection between high aluminium levels in the brain and Alzheimer. However, these studies have largely been debunked. So most health authorities, including the World Health Organization, have proved this. In fact, dietary aluminium is considered to be poorly absorbed by the body, which means that it's less than 1%, and the kidneys are effectively eliminating it every day in our daily life. So the key takeaway is, the idea of aluminium cookware leads to serious health conditions like Alzheimer's disease is not supported by strong scientific evidence. Most research shows that aluminium exposure from cookware is not a significant health risk. So in conclusion, can aluminium kitchen kill us? The answer is no. So stay safe and stay happy using aluminium. For AmpQuartz, we also have amazing car pantry. For example, we have over 1,000 plus of designs and material for you to customize your own ideal kitchen cabinet. And we also have very professional, dedicated cabinet consultant. So when you come to us, consult with our dedicated cabinet consultant, you will be provided up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is for you to ensure that our design and material suit your every need and desires. And after your installation is completed, you will get about 2 hours of free cleaning service. So if you say, hey, kitchen cabinet very expensive, but no worries, we provide you up to 24 months of installment with 0% of interest to ensure that you won't have any cash flow problem, but also you can bring home your ideal kitchen cabinet.
Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.